Hey everybody, what's up? Brad Hussey here from Freelancing Freedom. So I have a kind of a cool thing that I want to share with you. I just got an email from ConvertKit and they just recently came out with a freemium account. So for like 7 or 8 years, they have always been against, or maybe that's not what they said, but I think that's what they said, against doing a free account. They just wanted, people to sign up and just straight up sign up for their paid, $29 a month-ish membership or account. But the problem is that, they didn't get a lot of users that way unless they were serious. And maybe that was by choice and by design. It's totally fine. But it meant that a lot of people who wanted to use ConvertKit but weren't ready to invest would go to other email marketing tools like, MailChimp and probably whatever other free things are out there. So then they changed to a free trial where you got 30 days as a free trial, without a credit card, but then after that you couldn't use it essentially. But now they've actually upgraded to a freemium model, which means you can actually sign up for ConvertKit for free with limited features. And that's really good news for you creators, you freelancers, consultants, new business owners and entrepreneurs, online course creators. That's good news for you because you can actually just get started with ConvertKit and use some of the features without having to worry about being charged or anything like that until you're ready to upgrade to use the features. So it's kind of like play before you pay sort of thing, where you get to try it out and see, yeah, this is worth it, and then you can upgrade. And I like that because for me, I'm a huge supporter of ConvertKit. I've been using it for years, since basically the beginning. I'm like the original ConvertKit hipster. Okay, that's my own words. Feel free to use that however you wish. The original ConvertKit hipster, Brad Hussey. Okay, so I've been using it for a long time, way before they were popular, way before all the bloggers and all the cool people like Tim McGraw and Pat Flynn signed up for it. Okay, I was here first. Anyway, exciting news. I'm going to show you what that means for you. And I'm going to walk through. I just signed up for a free account myself. And so here's the cool thing. Before, you got the free account, but you didn't get to do anything like send broadcasts. If you wanted to send a broadcast to people, you needed to have subscribers. And in order to have subscribers, you needed to upgrade. And so it kind of defeats the purpose. So what they let you do was create landing pages for free. But then if you wanted to, you can capture those emails, but then you couldn't send anything. You couldn't send any emails without upgrading. So it kind of was like, haha, too bad. So they changed that just now. I got an email just now. It says this. They said they were flooded with responses, lots of constructive feedback that said it was a barrier to not be able to send emails to those first 100 subscribers. So in order to get 100 subscribers added to your account so that you can send emails, you needed to bring another friend on, and then you could unlock 100 subscribers, kind of like Dropbox, where you can sign up for Dropbox for free. If you refer a friend, you and that friend get an extra gig of space. ConvertKit kind of used that model, adopted that model, and said, if you refer a friend, we'll give you and your friend 100 subscribers so that you can do that. But people were like, why? Come on. So what they're doing now is just saying if you sign up for free with an affiliate link, this is where I come in, then you just get 100 subscribers. So, going to cut to the chase here, then I'll walk through some things and why it's a good idea for you. If you use my affiliate link, bradhussey.ca/ConvertKit, that'll take you straight to the option where you can sign up for free and get 100 subscribers unlocked on your account, which is awesome news for you because now you can just cut to the chase, create some landing pages and forms for your website. Or if you don't have a website, that's fine. ConvertKit will host your landing pages. Validate your offer, validate your product, validate your course, validate your service. And if people are subscribing and you're seeing, yeah, people want this offering, people want this newsletter, people want this course that I'm trying to, create here and validate, now I can send emails to those people to get some feedback, maybe collect payment and start generating cash flow. Boom, now you upgrade. And it's well worth your time to go with ConvertKit rather than going with, say, MailChimp for free and then eventually just moving over to ConvertKit once you start, Anyway, so bradhussey.ca/ConvertKit, that gets you a free account. Now, what's the benefit for me? Really, the only benefit for me is if you decide to upgrade, I'll get a a commission on your subscription at no extra cost to you. So it's kind of like by using my affiliate link, you get those 100 free subscribers and the free account, no credit card required. And then once things start to flow and you start to see that you can really use the landing pages and start to manage these subscribers, then you can upgrade and then I'll get that, commission on your account at no extra cost to you. Now, to make it worth your time, I wanted to make this more about showing you what you can do with ConvertKit with this free account and give you some free training here so that you'll be incentivized to, 1, sign up for ConvertKit, 2, with my affiliate link so that you can get those 100 subscribers. Like I said, I love ConvertKit. I've been using it. I break ConvertKit all the time. I'm a programmer and developer by trade, so I tend to play around the edges with ConvertKit, and for a long time I've been pushing the boundaries of the software for my own use, and in some instances that has actually broken ConvertKit temporarily and got them to update certain aspects of the software to account for those instances. So I would consider myself like an ultra power user of ConvertKit. I'm not a beginner user. I'm not even an advanced user. I'm like how do I break this user of ConvertKit? And that's a good thing for you because I can then pass on what I'm playing with, and ConvertKit gets to, they update their software based on what I break. That's not an official position. I'm not like an advisor or anything of ConvertKit. ConvertKit, if you're watching, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to continually break your software to help you improve, as I've always done in an unofficial capacity. But anyway, here we go. So you sign up for a free account, bradhussey.ca/ConvertKit, and this is what it looks like. This is a free account. This is a totally new, fresh account. I haven't even played with this yet, so we're both new here. First thing I see is landing pages and forms, subscribers, and broadcasts. Automations and sequences are locked because they are premium features. So let's see what it says. You can upgrade by inviting a friend, invite your friends and unlock email sending for 100 subscribers per referral. So you still get 100 free subscribers. This, they might not have updated the page here, but if you use my affiliate link, you get those 100 free subscribers. And then if you want to have more subscribers, you can refer friends, or you could just upgrade to a full account with up to 1,000 subscribers for $29 a month. And then you get to do things like automations and stuff. But you still, I'm pretty sure, get access to those 100 free subscribers, because that's what the email said. When you use that affiliate link of mine, you get 100 free subscribers. Okay, so this is like your account. So I'm in my account info. You can update your profile. So, Brad Test. This is my email here. And then, okay, so this is where you can do things like verify your email sending. Okay, so you get a lot of access here in the account settings. For default time to send your emails, I want to have my default be 11 a.m. and Eastern time. 1 p.m. Eastern time is what I usually do. You have to add an address for anti-spam laws. Use a P.O. box if you don't want to put your actual home address, which I recommend. ConvertKit also lets you use their mailing address. So they have... Check this out. You can use our address if you don't want to use your physical address. So they have some information. You can actually use their address here for your email marketing sending, which is awesome. Custom domains, you need to create a landing page first, and then referrals. If you refer a friend, you can get up to 1,000 free subscribers. Right now, you have your first 100 for free with my affiliate link. Again, bradhussey.ca/ConvertKit. Okay, so that is the account. Then you get access to email templates. Let's see if you do. Okay, you do. Can you create new email templates? Awesome. So you can create new email templates with the free account. You can use a designed style. You can use like a fancy text, just a standard text style, or you can use like something that's kind of in between. Or you can create your own HTML template, which is what I do. And if you're a web designer or developer and you know your way around HTML and CSS, well, you can do that as well. And so this is if you want to have an email template that's just consistent with your brand, or if you just want to use a text-based email marketing. Okay, so landing pages and forms. Let's just start and create one. They give you a little bit of a walkthrough here, but this is what this video is about anyway. So you can create a form or a landing page. Form is where you can embed it on your website. So any website you have, you can embed that form on your website. So let's say freelancingfreedom.com, and you have a page on that. If I have a page on that website, I can embed the form within a blog post, within a landing page. You can do that. Or if you just want a landing page, ConvertKit can host that landing page for you. So if you don't even have a website, that's fine. So let's do that. And they have lots of really beautiful templates, and they keep adding more, which is nice to see that they do that. So let's just choose like a landing page, a really simple one. I like to keep it simple just to increase opt-ins. Let's do something like this one. I do a lot of video, so they give you a landing page that you can kind of like play around with and start to build. You add a video there, so let's see. And you can customize all the text. So let's say, oh, what do they get to do there? Can you add more stuff? You can insert some, okay, cool. All right, so let's say free tool, download the pricing calculator. I have a pricing calculator lead magnet that I regularly offer. I'm going to make this not bold, see if I can keep it on the same line or make it bold, whatever, doesn't matter. Download the calculator, good enough. I'm not going to change the text, you get the idea. Put your name, your email, you can also add custom fields. Can you actually do custom fields? Ooh, that might be cool to know about your subscribers. If you can do custom fields in your free account, that's good news. We'll get to that. That's more of an advanced feature that I'm curious to see if you can do. Keep it simple for now and say custom field, select a custom field. Let's say your business stage, and the custom field label will be business stage. So that means, that's where if you wanted them to say like, I'm just starting, but I usually like to give them a drop down. So let's not add a custom field for right now. Let's not go there right now. More of an advanced feature that we don't need to concern yourself with right now. So sign up and download now. Okay, I'm gonna leave this all the same. Okay, and then right here, you paste a video URL. So if you have a video you wanna post, which I do, so let's find that. Okay, so I got a video queued up here, pricing calculator. And now if you wanna change all the design and the style and all that stuff, let's see. You can do that by going and playing with these features. So you can change the font. They give you lots of different fonts to play with. So I'm going to leave that as is. The form background is white. Okay, and then the video background, let's go something a little bit more dramatic. Doesn't matter, there we go. And you can do custom CSS. You can do background image opacity if you want a background image in this area versus just the color. Again, you could do whatever you want there. Custom CSS for you designers and developers who want to play around with that. Custom domain, they give you a custom domain. So like right now it's just relentlessdesigner.ck.page. So it's just going to be like kind of a scrambled URL, but you can actually set up your own custom domain and have it be like yourwebsite.com / opt-in / tool / offer / sign up. And you can actually have that, and that can be your actual domain. So you don't need a website with like WordPress or Squarespace or all this stuff just yet. You could just have a landing page hosted by ConvertKit with your own domain. So really cool feature. So let's see, when a visitor subscribes, just show them a success message or redirect to an external page. But now ConvertKit has the option up here to add a thank you page. So I'm just going to leave this as is for now. I'm just going to see what happens. Now the incentive email is where you can do a double opt-in. You can say, when you get their email and they sign up and download, then they have to go to their inbox and then click a link to confirm their email. That's so, for single opt-in means like you can just enter any email. You can enter your friend's email and then hit download, and then they're the ones getting the emails, but you get the lead magnet. So the way around that is to say enter your email and then go to your inbox and confirm the email. So you can do that. So that would be the incentive email. You can also auto-confirm new subscribers. So there's two ways of doing the same thing. You can say auto-confirm new subscribers and uncheck that. If you uncheck send incentive email, it's basically just a single opt-in. You can read this article they have about the importance of double opt-in. They basically, ConvertKit wants you to do double opt-in. That's like they would rather you do that. And that's totally fine. That's the standard way. In some instances, you want to do single opt-in, like if you're doing an automation in the background and you don't need to do double opt-in because they're already on your list. Anyway, don't worry about that. Default to a double opt-in. And then in the incentive email is where you can say, so if I have the free tool, so I'm saying I'll give you a free calculator for your business to help determine your pricing. So then in my incentive email, you can edit the email. So from Brad at Freelancing Freedom, you can leave the subject or you can customize it and say, confirm your email and get the calculator. Thank you for signing up. Click the link to confirm your subscription. Okay. Download my access my calculator. Okay, so that will get them to access the calculator that I promised as my lead magnet, and it will also give you access to, it'll confirm their email. So it's like a nicer way of confirming their email versus saying, hey, confirm your email. It's like incentivizing them with a lead magnet. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that as is. I think I can just click the X to get out of that. Cool. So then after confirming, you can go to URL or download a PDF. So if you have a PDF lead magnet, that's where you would do it, and that's where they would access the lead magnet when they click that button in the email, or they can go to a URL. I'm going to go to URL because that's where my lead magnet is. I'm just going to leave their default link by default. I would put the URL there to access the calculator, which is on an actual web page. So this is just a test. So, okay, so what's next? You can do things like continue to show the form, hide the form, or show custom content. When they subscribe, I just leave continue to show the form, doesn't matter. You can also send the subscriber to a thank you page, and it will send a URL query string. So if you want to go to your website and you want to build out like a custom program that finds out the URL query string, then you can then serve up specific information or different information. Anyway, really advanced feature. Most of you don't need to worry about that. If you're a developer, you'll know exactly what this is and you'll know that it's very powerful. Okay, invisible reCAPTCHA. Again, that's just for security so you don't have robots. And SEO and analytics, you can do some SEO so that Google can crawl the page if you're doing Facebook pixels and stuff. When you share on social, it'll have a nicer display. All features that are just there for you to play around with if you want to. So that's it right here. I'm going to save that. So now this page is done. So I can actually, this is what it will look like to everybody. But you can also go to a landing page. So I'm just going to say pricing calculator, landing page, pricing calculator. And then you can add a thank you page. This is a new feature and it's cool that you actually get access to it. So price calculator, thank you page. I'll go like this. Okay. Check your inbox to confirm your subscription and access the freebie you just signed up for. Okay. And I would make this be like almost there. No, almost there. And now check your inbox. You can do that. And then explain why. And then a video if you wanted to do it like, hey, thanks for signing up. You got the thing. Go to your inbox and confirm your subscription and you'll be messing around with the calculator in no time. And then the reason why you would do this is just to, if you don't have a website set up to redirect them to a thank you page, you can just keep it all within ConvertKit. And I think they might even, I don't know, they might even be able to access, what I'd like to see ConvertKit is if you could put a pixel on this page. Maybe you can, because then you can do like Facebook ad retargeting and everything like that. Anyway, so let's save that. Now what you can do is you can share that. So right here, Relentless Designer. So this is now that official live landing page. So here's the page we just set up. You know, the URL is a little bit ugly, but you can also do your custom URL. That's cool. And let's see, Brad. Now sign up and download now. Boom. What's next? They go to the thank you page. Interesting. So it didn't go straight to the thank you page. It did this. So if I were to go here and say on my landing page, what happens when I subscribe? Ah, see, now check this out. Check out these settings. So you can show a success message. So you saw that. It just said, hey, check your email. That's fine. But if you wanted to go to the next page, the thank you page on ConvertKit, you can redirect to the thank you page right here, or you can redirect to an external page, like go straight to your freebie, go to a thank you page, go to like a confirmation page that says, hey, check out your inbox. But while you're waiting, if you'd like to, sign up for my free webinar or book a call with me and we could talk about your business and so on and so forth, you can do that if you want that flow, or you could just go straight to the thank you page. So I'm going to try that again and go refresh, and I'm going to sign up again. And now it should go to the what the heck? Let me try this. Save. Okay, sign up. Now it's supposed to go to the thank you page, but it didn't. So it might be a little bug there, ConvertKit, that you got to work out. This is my first time testing this out, this feature. So that didn't work for some reason. Not sure why. That's okay. They'll fix that. But right now I'm just going to show a success message, which is fine. So now that I've subscribed, I can check out my reports. And I can see that I got one visitor, and that will change to one subscriber once I confirm the opt-in. So let's confirm the opt-in. So here we go. Confirm your email and get the calculator. Here is the email from my ConvertKit there. So thanks for signing up. Click the link to confirm your subscription. Access my calculator. Okay, so I'm going to click that. And then boom. So this page is here because I didn't change the confirmation page. If I change this to the actual calculator page, then that would show up. Now it shows that I actually have my first subscriber, which is really cool. And now, you can click in there and then check out that subscriber's profile. And you can see, did they click the email, open the email? You can see if they're in any automation, sequences, forms, and purchases. You can see they joined up from your pricing calculator. So in here is where you have access to their information. So you can add new custom fields, which you would use so you can automate this. So in your form that I showed you, let's see. So in my form, watch this. This is where it gets fun. So instead of custom field, let's just do a tag for now. We'll do a drop down. Let's say business stage. And we're going to create some options. Let's say just starting, or just say starting or full-time. We'll just keep it simple for now, and you can change the labels. I'm just starting. I'm full-time, and you can make it required if you want. And let's save. So now, if I go back to my form, watch this. And let's just say I'm a new subscriber, and then business stage, I am full-time. Sign up and download. Now go check your email. I'm pretty sure I'm already confirmed, so this doesn't matter. And the same email, Brad, you should see now I am tagged as full-time. Now, why does that matter? You can do things, so when you upgrade to automations, you can do certain automations based on tags, but because you have access to broadcasts, so let's create a new broadcast. And watch this. So I'm going to choose all subscribers, next step, and I'm going to say, hey, so check this out. So personalize, I'm going to say, hello, Brad, or if I don't have your name, I'm just going to say hello. This is a test email. And then watch this. So personalize, subscribers tags. So if the tag contains, I believe it was starting, and then else, the other option was full time. So check this out. So because it's a simple tag, if the subscriber tag contains starting, you'd say, it looks like you are just starting out. Cool. Check out this free webinar, and then link it up. And then you could also now say this, because now you know they're full time if they have that tag. So it looks like you are full time. Cool. Give me a call and let's chat. Link. Cheers, Brad. Okay, so now I'm going to, you can sample it to see what it looks like. You could send an email test, but I'm just going to send it straight up. So now I can broadcast. Next step. All right, send the broadcast. Oh, okay, so it needs me to actually enter all this information. I'm not going to do that right now. So I can show you what it would look like as a test. So Brad, so this is what it would look like for this person. So it looks like you were full-time. Cool, give me a call and let's chat. Oh, it looks like my camera died. No worries. So it looks like you're full-time. Cool. Let's call me chat. So you could see, because this email tagged with full-time, the email content was customized. And so that's simply because I have the option here of choosing the business stage. Now you can imagine the power of this if you want to start doing things like, watch this. Let's do one more quick test and then I'm going to wrap up this video because it's getting a little long. But again, hopefully this is enough to show you the power of ConvertKit even with your free account. So let's just try something here. And custom fields, let's add a custom field and say business struggle. Custom field, and I can say, what are you struggling with most? Now, normally what I would like to do, because what's going to happen is they're going to be able to type in whatever they want. When you use a form and add a custom field, you can actually edit the HTML. And when you edit the HTML, you can then choose a drop down and make them choose different options, in which case you can then do some more with that data. But right now, they're just going to be able to type in whatever they want. And I'll show you kind of what you can do with that. So let's just make it required for now. Save business stage. Let's just say I'm just starting and I'm struggling with, and so this is where they can type what they want. Making money online in an honest way. Okay, sign up and download. And here we are, number one business struggle, making money online in an honest way. So now what would happen, and I'm starting out, okay, so let's go to our broadcast. Now check this out. How does this test email? So watch this. So I'm sending it to me. Now watch this. So I customized it by saying, hey, it looks like you're just starting out. Cool. Watch this. Now you can personalize by their business struggle. So watch this. So now you could say, also, when you signed up, you said that your primary struggle was the following in your own words. And then you can go personalize business struggle. Okay. And the problem with doing it just as a text field where they can enter whatever they want, you don't know what it is that they really are struggling with. You're just kind of spitting out what they said. Now, that's fine. Normally what I would do is I would do a form. And so let's just really quickly, I'll open up a form. I can create a new form. Let's just do inline for now. Just do this, just something simple. Now, if I had a custom field that was number one business struggle, custom field, what's your number one business struggle? So what you could do is, I'm just going to save that. Now, what you can do is embed this form as HTML, but now you have access to all the HTML. Now, this is for design, like developers only. Like, it's going to look like a lot of nonsense to you. But what you could do is in here, you can find the actual input, like the input here. Again, this is really messy. You'd want to parse this out, open it up in your code editor. But you can take the input for the business struggle. So let's just find that really quick. Number one business struggle. So you can see here, all it is a text field, but you can change it to either a checkbox or a select input, and then you can make them choose an option. So let's say number one business struggle, just starting, launching a podcast, making money online, and then you can actually know that your subscribers are one of three things, and then you could start doing some fancy things like if. So right now we only know business struggle. So you could do something more like this. So customize. Now watch this. So we know this information. Take this out. So if subscriber tag, so it's going to be more like this. If subscriber number one business struggle contains, let's say money, or if it was starting, podcast, whatever your options were, then you could say, seems like you're struggling with making money online. Am I right? And now you could say otherwise. It looks like we don't know your main struggle. And then link to update profile, or go to the form and re-enter, whatever. Or you could say something like this. Hit reply and let me know. Now watch this. So I'm going to save, and I can test this in an email. But what I'm going to do is just go and test this with my actual account here. So now watch this. It customizes the email. Watch this. It looks like you're just starting out. Cool. Check out the free webinar. Also, when you signed up, you said that your primary struggle was the following in your own words. Now, let's go back to content and show you what that actually does. Personalize, number one business struggle. And now go to preview. I'm going to choose my only subscriber. Here we go. Also, when you signed up, you said this was your primary struggle in your own words, making money online in an honest way. And then I also have an if statement, a condition that says, if their custom field contains money, then say this. Seems like you're struggling with making money online. Am I right? Cheers. So you can see how there's a lot you can do with this free account by playing around with the tags, with the subscribers, with the custom fields, and with your forms. And the reason why you'd want to do this is because now what you can do is you can collect email subscribers to validate your business, validate your idea, validate your product, service, course. And if people are subscribing, you can then send them emails that are even slightly customized based on their sign up, their form, and the information they gave you. And then you can even send them a link to buy your product or buy your service or book a call. Let's say through this free, not really that limited, but like this free and down, kind of watered down version of your ConvertKit account. Let's say within those 100 subscribers, you get 2 new clients at $500. That's $1,000. Now, all you got to do then is click upgrade, and then you can choose to unlock everything and then enter your credit card and upgrade to $29 a month. And you get up to 1,000 subscribers, access to automations, which lets you do some really crazy things, really advanced crazy things. I talk all about it in my Launch Accelerator program. And sequences, you could do email courses, email sequences, and you can have an insanely powerful business model built on top of all of these features. But right now, to get started, if you like this, I strongly recommend you check out ConvertKit, bradhussey.ca/ConvertKit. You get all this for free just by using my link. And hopefully this was valuable to you and give you a little bit of a walkthrough of what you can get with the new freemium ConvertKit account with the 100 free subscribers if you use my link, bradhussey.ca/ConvertKit. Thanks for your time. Hopefully this was valuable to you. And if you have any questions, just hit me up, brad@freelancingfreedom.com. And you can also check me out at freelancingfreedom.com. All right. Cheers.